Can Verasity 50X in 2021? Let's find out. It's 2021 and as we can all see, the cryptocurrency bull run is well underway now. Ever since March 2020, we've been seeing huge gains all over the cryptocurrency space, with all-time highs being set almost every single week. The whole market has recently experienced a healthy pullback after over 40% of the hash rate difficulty for Bitcoin dropped due to a large blackout in parts of China, which in turn caused a large sell-off in the market. Most smart investors took the opportunity to buy the dip and the market now seems to be stable, with a healthy correction paving the way for future gains. The market continues to run up in price, and Verasity is a project that has been performing extremely well in this bull run, with a massive amount of potential for the future. Bitcoin has been stalling out somewhat in the past few months, slowly rising in a pennant formation, but it seems likely that with the recent price action it continues upwards for momentum shortly. When considering Verasity, its price action has been very positive recently, and it seems likely it's going to pick up more momentum as the bull run continues. Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, and it's important to remember that smart investors will be taking profits on the way up and on the way down as the bull market develops, so they don't get wrecked by the eventual massive pullback that will likely occur in the future. The bull market is likely to end in the next 6 months or so, when a huge correction will see a dip that the market will not recover from. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and why it has the potential to 50x or beyond in this bull run, based on its amazing fundamentals and what it aims to achieve. Make sure to watch the video till the end for all the essential information. This is not financial advice and is for entertainment purposes only. We always stress that you do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe for daily videos and hit the bell icon to turn on all notifications. YouTube does gatekeep some cryptocurrency content, so to get access to this time-sensitive information immediately, make sure to turn on all notifications. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord along with a host of other benefits. We're going to be posting there more regularly with weekly and monthly coin calls and also in-depth research of more obscure altcoins, so if that's something you're interested in, please check it out. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. Verasity is a project that is targeting a very interesting market in the world, which is currently booming, which is the content creation market. In recent years, there has been a huge surge of content creation as YouTube and Twitch have boomed with the advent of streaming and the rise of massive influence in these spaces, but they haven't come without their fair share of problems. As with many industries in the world, the highest amount of revenue, attention, and algorithmic reach is usually accrued by the top 1% of creators, and it can be very difficult for newer creators to become visible and generate a new audience. This is especially prevalent on Twitch TV, one of the largest streaming platforms in the world, due to the poor optimization of their website. The streamers with the most viewers are usually at the top of the list in their categories, and it's very difficult to generate new viewers and make a living as a new streamer or content creator due to the limitations of being able to climb the ranks. YouTube's algorithm also rather obviously rewards larger content creators as well. Since they've got so much engagement on their videos straight away, they're usually always shown over those trying to grow their channel. These biases towards existing established creators mean it's very difficult for new creators to make a living, and this is where Verasity comes in, which is a unique project which aims to increase the ad revenue accruable to content creators when their work is uploaded on video sharing sites. Having an additional revenue stream for creators could be the difference between making a living and prospering, and it's very important to find ways to encourage new creators on platforms, and Verasity is trying to help achieve this. The project was launched in 2019 and received a US patent for its Proof of View technology in February 2021. The Proof of View blockchain alternative reduces the occurrence of fake views. POV achieves this by ensuring that all data and metrics about videos on the blockchain are accurate and verifiable, and when you start to consider this, it's an incredibly big problem that has been facing the world for years now. Aside from the obvious scammers in the YouTube comment sections that are currently plaguing most cryptocurrency YouTubers, there is also a number of other issues with illegitimate metrics on platforms. Fake views have been a problem for YouTube specifically for years, but is prevalent in many different industries as a means to try and boost social proof through the use of bot streams, views, or followers. It's common knowledge this has been going on for some time, and Verasity is aiming to alleviate the issues surrounding faked views, as this is damaging for not only YouTube but also the creators themselves. There have been instances where content creators have been attacked by other users by buying bot views on their channel, and then their channel getting banned as a result. This is obviously outrageous, but the prevalence of these sorts of practices are terrible for creators, and Verasity is aiming to bring more transparency and rewards for new creators through the new revenue stream. Verasity also rewards users for engaging on video platforms, and Veracity's product layer is already integrated on YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, and many other leading platforms for video. Recent news and sentiment for Verasity has been very positive in the cryptocurrency space, especially considering how it's been performing in recent months. The most recent news for Verasity is very bullish and includes details about NFTs launching on one of Veracity's collaborative sites. Esports Fight Club, an esports focused website which is owned by Verasity, has now launched non-fungible tokens. The NFTs on offer include posters, badges, weapons, mods, and short videos that summarize top highlights from esports tournaments. All of them are built on Veracity's proprietary and patented proof of view protocol, which aims to eliminate fraud from the world of video monetization. Each NFT on the platform is unique, with ownership validated through POV. This gives users full control over their non-fungible tokens, enabling them to resell or distribute them at will. NFTs are going to be available on Esports Fight Club store soon, along with a wide range of other merchandise. According to Verasity, it's natural for NFTs to be a prominent feature of Esports Fight Club, given how these digital assets are so well suited to fan-based economies. Across the industry, these tokens are now being used to create trading cards of top athletes and commemorate memorable moments in sporting events. Verasity offers a proprietary video player that can track genuine viewership levels, along with user intent and contextual data. The project is trying to add legitimacy and take power back against manipulation of social proof and fake views, and its proof of view protocol has been rewarded with a US patent as a result. This seems likely to pave the way for Verasity in the future to continue expanding the host of benefits that it currently offers, and could continue to be a huge project because of it. Through Esports Fight Club, a professional streamer with a large fan base would be able to use the platform, coupled with Veracity's technology, for data storage, consumption, and targeted NFTs. All very new and exciting ways to monetize their content and make a living or career which isn't purely based on view metrics on a platform, which then triggers algorithmic rewards. When you combine this bullish news of the protocol with the list of partnerships they already have, along with the sentiment of having a patent for their technology, things are looking very bullish for Verasity, especially if they start to get widespread use on YouTube and Twitch especially. Verasity is a project in the cryptocurrency space that has absolutely exploded in the current bull run, especially since the turn of the year in January. Verasity in January had a price per token of around 1/20th of a cent, and has run up in price over 100x to around 5 cents before a recent correction due to the overall market pullback in recent days. The performance of Verasity has been remarkable, and the announcement of their patent going through in the US was massive bullish news that sent the crypto on another run. With a current market cap of around 100 to 150 million and the price per token of around 4 cents, there is still a huge amount of potential for Verasity to continue to grow into the future, and it's very likely that it could have a massive 2021 if the momentum it had continues into the future, especially with the parabola of the bull run to consider as we reach a climax this year. It doesn't seem likely that momentum is going to slow down for Verasity this year, especially when you consider the amount of integrations that it's currently getting and the announcements that are coming out all the time for the crypto. The sentiment around Verasity is very bullish currently, and another 50 to 100x from the current price seems possible in the next year as a result. The 50x we're calling for would give Verasity a price per token of around $2 and a market cap of 10 to 15 billion. Considering what Verasity offers and the strides they are taking, this might be a more conservative price target than anything. And there are many in the Verasity community that believe Verasity could reach $10 and beyond this year, which would be a market cap of 50 to 75 billion. Even this doesn't seem so unreasonable when you consider that most top 20 cryptocurrencies will have market caps well into this range, and we believe that Verasity could be one of the largest cryptocurrencies going forward, as it has a real-world use case to change lives. When taking a look at the technical analysis for Verasity, for the past few weeks it seems as though Verasity has been ranging in a motion between 3.5 and 5.5 cents respectively. There's been a lot of consolidation and structure being built in recent weeks, and when looking at the overall structure of the technicals, things are looking very bullish for Verasity in the short term. A breakout in the near future seems likely with the overall sentiment of the market still being very bullish, and now there's been a healthy overall correction. Once VRA pushes towards its all-time high again, it's easy to imagine it could push into this 10-cent range in short order beyond this. Once these sorts of prices are achieved, and price discovery mode is entered for the crypto again, it's easier to imagine that it could continue its momentum with no more technical resistance, and with the hype around the project growing. When you look at everything that Verasity is trying to achieve, along with the previous performance of the project over the past few months, it's easy to see why we're bullish on the project. With over 100x gains already in the past 4 months, how much more can we expect from Verasity in the next 5 to 6 months as the bull run starts to reach a climax? It's easy to imagine that Verasity could continue its momentum after its recent consolidation period, and push past its all-time high into the 10 to 20 cent range in short order. Once this happens, Verasity could head to the 40 to 50 cent range in the next few months, especially when looking at how many other cryptos such as VeChain have been pumping recently. With such a small market cap of only 100 to 150 million currently, the room for Verasity to grow is massive, and it won't take much capital for it to move as large as other projects in the space. With Dogecoin running to a $50 billion market cap on hype alone, it's impossible to rule out a big run for Verasity, and a $10 to $15 billion market cap for the crypto seems very reasonable as the bull run develops, which would be around a 50x from the current price. We believe this is possible and may be conservative considering what the project is trying to achieve. If they receive large amounts of adoption, Verasity could set to be making massive gains in the upcoming bull run. So what are your thoughts on Verasity? Do you like the project, and what is your price prediction for them in 2021 and beyond? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, as we'd be interested to hear your ideas about the price action of Verasity in the future. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there. Currently only around 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.